Just wanted to make a quick video on making sure we were good with adding and subtracting polynomials. So this first two polynomials right here, I ended up flipping the coin and getting that I should add these two together. So when adding polynomials, you have to make sure that you're only adding the ones with the same x. So these are both x squared, so we're allowed to add them. So negative 8x squared plus 2x squared would give us negative 6x squared. The next term just has x's, and they line up together. So negative 7 plus 2x would give us negative 5x. And then negative 8 plus 8 actually gives us 0, which we don't need to write in 0, so we can just leave it out completely. So if we add these two polynomials together, we would get negative 6x squared minus 5x. In this next example, I'm subtracting polynomials. So we have 9x squared minus 9x plus 2, and that would be minus negative 2x squared minus 2x. But when you put in that minus sign, you have to put parentheses around that second polynomial so that you can distribute the minus sign to both of the terms here. So instead, we're going to have 9x squared minus 9x plus 2, and then that's plus 2x squared plus 2x. All right? And then the x squareds can go together, so 9 plus 2x, or 9x squared plus 2x squared gives us 11x squared. And then the ones with x's can go together, so that's negative 9x, positive 2x, which would make negative 7x. And then positive 2 is out here by itself, so we'll just add 2 to the end. And that would be our solution. All right. I went around to some groups and just got some of their questions that they had pulled. So if you want to copy these down, or pause the video, copy these down and try a couple on your own, I definitely highly recommend that. I will make a key of all of these examples so that you can be checking your answers. There's two ways to do these. You can stack them like I had in the first question, or you can just put them all horizontally like I did in the second question. I'm going to show two more examples here, and then I'll let you try some on your own. All right, we'll slide to this example right here. So here's an adding. Let's just add these two straight horizontally. So if we just put that plus sign right here in between those two polynomials, we just need to make sure that we're adding the x squareds together. So 8 plus 2x squared would give us 10x squared. And then we have positive 2, positive 9, so that's positive 11. And then that negative 2x is just hanging out by itself because there is no other x to add to it. We also want to put these in standard form, so that's 10x squared minus 2x plus 11 would be in standard form because our exponents are decreasing. And then there would be our answer, right? If we did a subtraction, let's stack a subtraction just to see what that would look like. So let's take this 7x squared plus 4. We'll stack it right here just like this. And then it's subtraction, so we'll put a minus sign. Again, whenever you're doing subtraction, I like to put this parentheses to remind ourselves that subtraction goes to both of them. All right? So if we're just straight subtracting down, we have negative 7x squared minus 7x squared, so that would be negative 14x squared. And then we have negative 8 minus 4, which would be negative 12. This 3x, there is no term with an x in the bottom here, so it would be like saying plus 0, basically. So it would be 3x minus 0, so that would just give us positive 3x. All right, and that would be our final answer. Okay, so whether you like the stack way or the horizontal way, it's always up to you. But again, pause this video right now, copy these down, all right, try them on your own. Okay, and then here's a couple more, right? So pause the video right here, copy these down, try them out, and I'll make sure to have a key posted so that you can check your answers. Have a great day.